Hey guys, I got a text message from a friend. Hey Brad, I have a question. I keep seeing these secure credit cards. Do they really bring up your credit scores? I really want to get my scores up, but I don't want to put my money in the wrong places. Should you get a secure credit card? There's secured and there's unsecured. So an unsecured card is you don't have to put any money down because you have a good enough credit score. So yes, a secure credit card where you put money down, normally $99 to $200, will actually start helping build your credit score. Some key things you want to make sure is that the credit card is going to report to all three major credit bureaus, because if it doesn't, then that's not going to help build all of your credit scores simultaneously. Now, why is that important? One reason is when you go to buy a car at a dealership, you have no idea which credit reporting agency the car dealership is going to pull from. So if they pull from your Experian, your TransUnion, or your Equifax, you need to make sure that all three of your scores are high. When you get a secure credit card to start building your credit, you want to make sure and get one that reports to all three major credit reporting agencies. There's Experian, there's TransUnion, and there's Equifax, also known as CSC. So normally when you get a new credit card, they're not going to give you a high balance. It's a starter card to start building your credit. You never want to go 50% above the limit. It's called utilization, because if you use more than 50% of the limit, it'll drop your credit score. You get the card to help raise your score, but then it can drop the score down because you're utilizing a lot of the credit. So you want to keep it down below 30%, even 10% of the limit is a good thing. And I would just make sure if you do have or carrying a balance on it, that you make sure and pay it down 30 days before you go and make any major purchases, so that your credit cards are paid down and that your credit scores are high as possible. That's it. So guys, I'll catch y'all another day. Have a blessed day.